Hello everyone. Today we learn how to tell the time. Okay. As you all know that a clock is used to tell the time and it has two hands, a short hand and a long hand. Okay. And here a short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. And the standard units for hour is HR and the minute is MIN. So these are the standard units for measurement of time. And the hour hand shows the hour and the minute hand shows the minutes before and after the hour. Okay. So as you all know that hour hand, if an hour hand is at 2 and the minute hand is at 12, then the time is 2 o'clock or 2. And if I give another example, if an hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12, then the time is at 3 o'clock or 3. So when the minute hand moves all the way around the clock, that is from 12 to 12, an hour passes. So this you all know. Now telling the time to the half an hour. Telling the time to the half an hour. Half hour. So as you can see in this picture, so in this clock, the hour hand is between 3 and 4. The hour hand is in between 3 and 4 and the minute hand points to 6. So here the yellow part shows that the long hand, this long hand or minute hand has moved halfway round. It has moved halfway round. So when the minute hand, so this minute hand moves halfway round the face of the clock, half an hour has passed. And we can say that it is half past 3. Half past 3. Okay. We can say that hour hand is between 3 and 4. Minute hand is at 6. Time is half past 3 or 3:30 or 3:30. And you should remember that 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 30 minutes equals to 1 half of an hour. 1 day equals to 24 hours. So 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 30 minutes equals to 1 half an hour. 1 day equals to 24 hours. Okay. So how to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes? We'll see here. In the other, I have drawn one figure. So how to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes? Okay. When the hour hand moves from one number to other number, so this is a short hand is hour hand and this is a minute hand which is a long hand. So when the hour hand moves from one number to other, 1 hour passes. So when the minute hand moves from one number to other, 5 minutes passes. Understand? So when the hour hand moves from one number to other, 1 hour passes. When the minute hand moves from one number to other, 5 minutes passes. So actually here the time is 4 o'clock. So the hour hand is at 4, minute hand is at 12. So time is 4 o'clock or 4. So if you can draw here. So don't think that's the time. What's the time now? So actually here the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 5. Okay. Time is 5 minutes past 4 or 4:05. You can say that 4:05 or 5 minutes past 4. So 5 minutes have passed after 4 o'clock. So we write 5 minutes past 4 or 5 past 4. We can also write 5. We can also say that 5 past 4. So we can use skip counting by 5s to tell the time to nearest 5 minutes. So I have made some more figures here. How to tell the time to the nearest 5 minutes. Okay. For children, have the 5 table. Okay. Have the children recall skip counting by 5s. and relate it to the minute hand of the clock. Okay, have the children recite their five times table aloud. Show how each of the numbers 5, 10. So okay, 5 here, 10, 15. 5 table is there, no? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, up to 55. Or related to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 11. Up to 11. So here markings on the clock face as you make one complete turn around the clock face. Allow more practice of counting by fives and then have the children tell the time after the hour as you change the position of the minute hand. So there are many ways of reading and telling the time. Here there are figures, right? In the first figure, the time is 3, 5. Skip counting 5, 1, 2, 5. So 3, 5, or we can say 5 minutes past 3. The time is 3, 5 or 5 minutes past 3. Right. Here the time is 3:25. 3:25. Skip 5. So 5, then 10, then 15, 25, sorry 20, then 25. So here the time is 3:25, or we can 25 past 3. Okay, when the minute hand has moved past, so when the minute, this is minute hand, when the minute hand has moved past 6, we say that the time in two ways. In the two ways we can say. How we can say? In the first way, I'll draw some more examples. So when the minute hand has moved past 6, up to here I said, when the minute hand moves past 6, so we say the time in two ways. Let's see. I've drawn some more figures here. See, in the first way, how can we say? In the first way, here the time is, can I skip here? 5, okay, 5, again here 10, 15, 20, then 25, 30, and here it is 35. So 35 past 1. How means the hour hand is between 1 and 2. It is between 1 and 2. So that the time is after 1 o'clock. The minute hand is at 7. Okay, starting at 12 and counting ahead by 5 to 7. Counting up to 5. So counting 5 to 7, we get 35 minutes. So total all this 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 35. We get 35 minutes. So we say that the clock shows 35 minutes after 1 or 35 minutes past 1. How can we say? 35 minutes. So here I'll write 35 minutes after 1 or 35 minutes past 1. So the second way, here the time is 25 minutes to 2. 25 minutes to 2. See here how it means the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So that the time is before 2 o'clock. And the minute hand is at 7. Starting at 12 and counting back to 5 to 7. Counting back. So here 5. Then here 15. Sorry 10. Here 15. 20. Then 20. 25. So counting backwards 5 to 7, we get 25 minutes. Okay. In the first figure, counting ahead 5 to 7, we get 35 minutes. Counting ahead 35 minutes. In the first figure, here starting at 12 and counting ahead by 5 to 7, we get 35 minutes. In the second figure, starting at 12 and counting back by 5 to 7, we get 25 minutes. So we write 25 minutes to 2. 25 minutes to 2 to tell the time, because there are 25 minutes left to 2 o'clock. 25 minutes left to 2 o'clock. Okay. Now Now how to tell time to quarter hour? We'll see this. Now here, how to tell time to quarter hour? We'll see here, telling the time to the quarter hour. We can read time on the clocks given below. Here I had drawn some clocks. So in the first figure here, the minute hand has moved 1/4, means 1/4 of the circle. 1/4 of the circle in moving from 12 to 12 to 3. So 1/4 half an hour, that equals to 15 minutes. We can say like this, 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4. Okay, the minute hand has moved 1/4, 1/4 of the circle in moving from 12 to 12 to 3. Shown by the, here I can show here in the colored part. One second, I can show here, so I can draw here. So I just colored here to understand for you clearly. Okay, the colored part here shown here right now. So it is a minute hand moves 1/4 of the circle, 1/4 or 1/4 from moving from 12 to 3. So the time shown on the clock is 12:15, or you can also say that 15 minutes past 12. 15 minutes past 12, which we generally read as 12:15. 12:15. So the time here is 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12, or we can also say as 12:15. So in the second figures here, I had drawn two figures. Observe this, A and B. So both the clocks A and B given, both the clocks here A and B given above, both the clocks A and B show the same time, which can be read in clock A as 7:45 or 45 minutes past 7. And in clock B, the same time can be read as 15 minutes. Here that both the clocks are same, both the times are same, but we can say in different ways. In the first, in the clock A, the time is 7:45 or 45 minutes past 7. In the clock B, the same time can be read as 15 minutes to 8 or 7:45. 7:45. So this is the difference, small difference. We can say the time is same, but we can say in different ways. The time is same. In the clock A, the time is 7:45 or 45 minutes past 7. In the clock B, the same time can be read as 15 minutes to 8 or 7:45. So this is about time. We had learned how to tell time to half an hour. What is a shorthand? What is a longhand? How shorthand? What is a shorthand is called the hour hand. Longhand is called the minute hand, and the hour hand and the minute hand, I mean here HR and MI, and these are the standard units for the measurement of time. And how to tell time to half an hour? How to tell the time to the nearest 5 minutes? Okay, and the other one is how to tell the time to quarter hour. We had completed the telling the time. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Hope to stay connected. Thanks. Bye bye.